Listen, I need to make something crystal clear right from the start. There's no such thing as get rich quick, and there's definitely no such thing as get rich easy. But here's what does exist. Get rich quicker and get rich easier. And right now, in 2025, we are sitting at the biggest opportunity most people will see in their lifetime. And 99% of people are completely missing it. You see, while everyone's arguing about whether AI will take their jobs, smart people are quietly building AI-powered businesses that are generating thousands of dollars per month with minimal effort. And today, I'm going to show you exactly why AI represents the laziest method to make money this year. And I mean that in the smartest way possible. Here's the thing that's driving me crazy. Most people think making money online requires you to become some kind of tech genius or work 80-hour weeks. That's complete nonsense. The people making serious money right now aren't the ones grinding themselves into the ground. They are the ones who found the right vehicle. Think about it this way. You could be the hardest working person in the world, but if you're rowing a tiny boat, you're never going to beat someone in a speedboat who's barely trying. The business model you choose is more important than the hours you put in. That's just a fact. And right now, AI is a speedboat that most people don't even know exists yet. Let me paint you a picture of what's happening right now. We've got nurses, teachers, construction workers, some of the hardest working people on the planet, and they're struggling financially. Why? Because hard work alone doesn't create wealth. The system doesn't reward effort, it rewards leverage. Meanwhile, you've got people who understand leverage, making more money in a month than most people make in a year, and they are working fewer hours. The difference isn't work ethic, it's the vehicle they chose. Here's what's really frustrating. Most people are still trying to make money using 2020 strategies in 2025. They're starting dropshipping stores, trying to become influencers, or launching service agencies. These models had their moment, but that moment is passing. The AI revolution isn't coming, it's already here. According to market research, the AI market is projected to reach $826 billion by 2030. We're talking about a complete transformation of how business gets done, and most people are sleepwalking through it. Now, I know what you're thinking. Here we go, another person telling me about the next big thing. But here's why AI is fundamentally different from every other opportunity you've heard about. First, AI eliminates the biggest barriers that have kept normal people from building successful businesses. You don't need to be a coding genius. You don't need a massive team. You don't need years of experience. AI tools can now do in minutes what used to take experts months to accomplish. Second, we are still in the early stages. This isn't like getting into dropshipping in 2024 when everyone and their grandmother is doing it. This is like getting into e-commerce in 2010 when most people still thought online shopping was sketchy. Third, AI doesn't just make existing businesses better, it creates entirely new categories of businesses that never existed before. We're not talking about slight improvements, we're talking about completely new ways to create value. Let me break down the 5 main categories where people are already generating serious income with AI, and I'll show you which ones require the least effort for the biggest return. Alright, but before that, if you guys have been wanting to start your own personal brand or just want to future-proof yourself against the digital or, in this case, AI revolution, you can check out my personal branding mastery linked down below. Alright, with that being said, let's get to the fun part. Number 1, AI content creation. This is probably the most obvious one, but it's also the most misunderstood. People think AI content creation means letting ChatGPT write a blog post and calling it a day. That's not how the successful people are doing it. The real money is in using AI to create content at scale that humans could never produce manually. We're talking about creating entire courses, writing books, generating marketing materials, and producing video content in a fraction of the time it used to take. The problem most people have with content creation is that it takes forever. You spend hours researching, writing, editing, and by the time you're done, you're exhausted. AI eliminates 90% of that work. You can create a week's worth of content in an afternoon. Number 2, AI-powered services. This is where things get really interesting. Instead of selling AI tools, you're selling the results that AI tools can produce. Think about it. Businesses don't want to learn how to use AI. They want the problems AI can solve.
I think that AI implementation for Main Street is an enormous opportunity. The idea of helping businesses implement AI into their business and being very specific and focused about how you want to solve that problem and getting very good at productizing that solution, there's a fortune to be made.
For example, instead of trying to sell a company on using an AI chatbot, you build a chatbot for them and charge them a monthly fee for the results. They get better customer service, you get recurring revenue, and the AI does most of the work. The beauty of this model is that you're not competing on price with AI tools. You're competing on results. And businesses will pay premium prices for results. Number 3, AI enhanced traditional businesses. This is probably the most overlooked opportunity. Take any traditional business model and add AI to it. Suddenly, you can deliver the same service at a fraction of the cost and time. Graphic design, video editing, market research, data analysis. All of these services can be dramatically enhanced with AI. The people making money aren't replacing human creativity. They are using AI to amplify it. Number 4, AI product development. Here's where it gets really exciting. AI can now help you create digital products that would have been impossible for individuals to build just a few years ago. We are talking about software, apps, online courses, and digital tools. The barrier to entry for product development used to be massive. You needed technical skills, significant capital, and months of development time. AI has eliminated most of these barriers. Number 5, AI consulting and training. As AI becomes more mainstream, businesses are desperate for guidance. They know they need to adapt, but don't know how. This creates a massive opportunity for people who understand AI to help businesses implement it. The best part about this model is that you don't need to be a technical expert. You just need to understand AI better than the average business owner, which isn't hard since most of them are completely lost. Let me know in the comments below what video you would like me to make regarding the AI businesses mentioned. Here's the harsh reality. Most people will completely miss this opportunity. And it's not because they're not smart enough or don't work hard enough. It's because they're focused on the wrong things. They're worried about AI taking their jobs instead of thinking about how AI can help them create new income streams. They're waiting for the perfect moment to get started instead of jumping in and learning as they go. They're looking for guarantees in a world that doesn't offer any. The people who are going to win big with AI are the ones who start now while it's still early. They're not waiting for permission or perfect conditions. They are experimenting, learning, and building. Let me tell you why AI-powered businesses are fundamentally different from traditional businesses. It comes down to 3 things: scalability, automation, and competitive advantage. Scalability means you can grow your income without proportionally increasing your workload. Traditional businesses hit a ceiling because there are only so many hours in a day. AI businesses can scale infinitely because the AI doesn't get tired. Automation means the business can run without you constantly managing every detail. Instead of trading time for money, you're trading intelligence for money. You set up the system once and they keep working. Competitive advantage means you can deliver results that would be impossible or prohibitively expensive for competitors who aren't using AI. You're not just competing on price or quality, you're competing in a completely different category. Here's the framework that successful AI entrepreneurs are using right now. It's not complicated, but it is specific. Step 1, identify a problem that AI can solve better, faster, or cheaper than traditional methods. Don't start with the AI tool, start with the problem. Step 2, find the specific group of people who have this problem and are willing to pay to solve it. Not everyone has every problem, and not everyone who has a problem will pay to solve it. Step 3, create a solution that combines AI capabilities with human oversight and creativity. Pure AI solutions rarely work. The magic happens when you combine AI efficiency with human judgment. Step 4, package it as a service or product that customers can easily understand and buy. Don't sell AI, sell the results that AI makes possible. Step 5, automate and scale. Once you have proven the concept works, use AI to make the delivery more efficient and the results more consistent. The window for getting in early on AI is closing fast. We're probably talking about months, not years, before this becomes mainstream and competitive. The people who start now will have a massive advantage over those who wait. They'll have experience, established systems, and proven results while everyone else is still figuring out. And proven results while everyone else is still figuring out what ChatGPT is. This isn't about replacing human creativity or intelligence, it's about amplifying it. The most successful AI entrepreneurs aren't the ones trying to eliminate humans from the equation. They are the ones using AI to make humans more effective. Now, let me be completely honest with you. This isn't a magic button that prints money. You still need to understand business fundamentals. You still need to solve real problems for real people. You still need to execute. But here's what's different. AI dramatically reduces the time, cost, and complexity of building a successful business. What used to take months now takes weeks. What used to require a team can now be done by individuals. What used to cost thousands now costs hundreds. The question isn't whether AI will transform how business gets done. It's already happening. The question is whether you'll be part of the transformation or left behind by it. So here's what I want you to do. Don't overthink this. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Don't try to learn everything before you start. Pick one AI tool that interests you and spend an hour exploring what it can do. Not watching videos about it, not reading articles about it, actually using it. See what problems it can solve and what results it can produce. Then, think about who would pay for those results. Not who would pay for the AI tool, but who would pay for the outcomes the tool makes possible. That's your starting point. Everything else is just details you can figure out as you go. The biggest opportunity of the next decade is happening right now. The only question is whether you're going to be part of it or watch from the sidelines. The choice is yours, but choose quickly. This window won't stay open forever. Once again, if you want to get into personal branding, now is your time to do so. Check out the links down below.